covered. It's called What Pet Should I Get? It's about a little boy and little girl who go to the pet store, try to figure out what pet they should get. It's, you know, it's right there on the cover of the book. But spoiler alert, they wind up getting a monkey and it rips one of the boy's ears off, which takes a terrible turn. But Dr. Seuss himself passed away in 1991. He, after eating some bad green eggs, he died. The book is believed to have been written between 1958 and 1962, and because it was written a long time ago, we thought it would be a good idea to give it to freshen it up and give it a bit of a modern spin. So here, with a selection from the new book, What Pet Should I Get? The one, the only, Tyler, the Creator. Tyler?
See how it is when you pick out a pet. How can you make up your mind what to get? But what if we took one of each kind of pet? Then our home will be full of the pets we will get.
Tyler? Hey man, how you doing?
Hey,
it's good to have you here. Thanks. I was thinking that maybe if you just did a little bit more, I don't know, like rhythmically, like if you did.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
yeah, like a rap, like kind of, you know.
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, all right. No, Dad would be mad. We can only have one. If we don't choose, we will end up with none. Jimmy.
Tyler?
You look really nice.
Thank you. Well, I guess what, you know, I was just hoping that it would have, what is the word I'm looking for? A little more, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is.
Swag?
No.
Oh.
Not swag. Flow.
Matthew McConaughey? No?
No, not Matthew McConaughey. No. But like a little more flow.
Oh.
You know, so like it would rhyme like,
okay.
You know, with pet.
Okay.
Should I get it?
You guys think I got it? I'll do it right now. I do what I said. I'll make up my mind. That's up in my head. The dog or the rabbit, the fish or the cat. I pick up it fast, and that was it, and that was that. Jimmy Kimmel, this segment was whack.
Yeah, no, that was good. That was actually really good. You got a lot better at the end. I think we really had something. Dr. Seuss was very fast. Thank you. All right, you're supposed to go. I guess I'm your object. All right. Tonight on the show, we have music from Tyler, the Creator. Rick Springfield is here. Yeah, you forgot that. And we'll be right back with Christina Applegate, so stick around.
Portions of Jimmy Kimmel.